I'm Suzanne Mackay, I'm Scheme Project Manager for Scotland Railway. We're currently at Saltmarket in Glasgow city centre at Bridge 4. We're going to be starting the works in August 2022 and they will continue until September 2023. The works are being carried out because the structure is over 150 years old, it's reached its lifespan, and we're carrying out works to maintain the structure for the next 100 years. The works will involve metal works to the structure, which include removing and replacing sections of it, installing additional steel, carrying out grit blasting and painting, and minor masonry repairs to the abutments.
In place to do the work?
To allow us to access the structure, there will be lane closures involved, but the traffic flow will be maintained at all times. The noisiest elements of the work will be removing the rivets from the existing metalwork. This is quite a noisy task. This will allow us to take out the sections of structure that need replaced, along with the grit blasting can be a noisy activity, and reinstalling the steel. To minimise the noise, we are programmed to carry out a lot of the noisiest tasks on a Sunday during the day. That includes some of the rivet busting and the installation of the new steel, although there will be elements that will have to be carried out on night shifts during the week. The main challenges are the close proximity of our line-side neighbours. We really appreciate their patience over the next year while we carry out these works. We do appreciate that there may be some noise, but we are doing everything we can to minimise this. Also, there are a number of local businesses in the area, but none of these should be affected by the work. We really appreciate the community's patience over the next 12 months, and if you want to keep up to date with the project, please visit scotlandrailway.com.